Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block third-party cookies in Google Chrome on Windows 11 or 10 PCs. Actually, third-party cookies improve your browsing experience. For example, to keep you signed in or to remember items in your shopping cart. But if you are security concerned, then you should block it. To allow or block third-party cookies in Chrome, first to open it, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the Chrome settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, under privacy and security, click on this one option, third party cookies. In case you want to allow third party cookies, select this one option, and to block the third party cookies, choose this one option, block third party cookies. After that, close the Chrome browser and reopen it to apply the changes.